And their interview comes a day after a judge lifted a gag order on anyone involved in the case, and that includes lawyers and investigators. NBC's Liz Kreutz has been following the story and has more on what that means.
This morning, a sweeping gag order lifted in Brian Kohberger's quadruple murder case.
I think the rights of the public to information in this case is paramount, given the fact that a plea has been entered in this case.
The judge ruling the gag order isn't needed following Kohberger's confession to murdering University of Idaho students Xana Kernodle, Madison Mogen, Kaylee Gonzalez, and Ethan Chapin in 2022.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
With the trial no longer happening, a coalition of news organizations, including NBC News, asked the court to lift the order, which prohibited investigators and attorneys involved in the case from speaking publicly.
Now that Kohberger's pleaded guilty, there's not going to be a jury, so there's no jury pool to taint.
The gag order was issued early on amid intense media scrutiny and public interest in the case to ensure a fair trial.
Gag orders are incredibly rare in criminal trials. They're usually reserved for the most high-profile cases.
In an exclusive interview with Today, Ethan Chapin's parents, Jim and Stacy, told us the gag order served its purpose.
Was it good that there was this gag order? Did it let some of the theories spread?
Oh, I think the gag order was a good deal.
You could be angry over the gag order, or you could just understand that that's part of the legal process and how this is going to work, and you know, let those people do their job.
With the order now lifted, it's possible new and disturbing details about the brutal killings could come to light, something the Chapins were hoping to avoid.
We know what happened, you know, as far as he was concerned, and I don't need to know anything else.
And you don't think the public needs to know?
I know there's pieces of it they don't need to know. It doesn't. It's not for public consumption.
And why would you need to know it? I mean, what's the gain on that, right? There's zero gain.